If you could turn a tiny vial into a powerhouse of possibility, you would be in awe. I remember the first time I held a peptide bottle. It was cold, almost clinical, and I was terrified of messing up the numbers. That moment made me realize how crucial it is to get the math right. A single mistake can ruin a whole experiment. Peptide reconstitution is a ritual that starts with a simple question: how much solvent do I need? The answer depends on the concentration you want, the weight of the peptide, and the volume of water or buffer. I used to stare at a spreadsheet trying to juggle all those variables. It was a nightmare. But then I discovered a simple tool that made everything click into place. Tools like EvoLabs made this a lot easier, and their calculator helped me see the big picture without drowning in numbers. It was a revelation, a single screen that takes the guesswork out of the equation. The calculator takes 3 key inputs. First, the mass of your peptide in milligrams. Second, the desired final concentration, usually expressed in micromolar. And third, the volume of solvent you plan to use. When you hit calculate, it spits out the exact volume of solvent needed and the concentration you will end up with. No more scribbling on paper, no more second guessing. I learned that the magic happens in the formula. The concentration in micromolar equals mass in milligrams times 1 million divided by molecular weight times volume. The calculator does all that in a flash. That simplicity gave me confidence to move forward with my research. I also realized that precision matters. The peptides I work with are manufactured to 99% plus purity. That means the numbers you calculate must be exact, or the whole experiment can fail. The calculator helps me double-check my work, ensuring that every gram, every microliter counts. The process is not just about numbers. It's about building trust with your data. When I reconstitute a peptide and record the exact volume, I can replicate results later with confidence. That consistency is the cornerstone of scientific discovery. I've seen projects that were saved, and some that fell apart, all because of reconstitution mistakes. The calculator is not a fancy gadget. It is a safety net that keeps my research on track. So the next time you pick up a vial, remember that a simple calculation can protect your experiment. Treat your peptides with respect, give them the exact solvent, and let the numbers guide you. And if you need a reliable partner, EvoLabs offers research-grade peptides that come with a guarantee of quality. Use the tool, trust the math, and let your science unfold. The takeaway is simple. Precision in reconstitution is precision in progress. Every milligram, every microliter, and every calculation is a step toward discovery.